Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. If you are someone that is looking for futures trading ideas, then we have those alerts for you as part of the inner circle community that I offer. So in this video, I want to offer up a couple things. First off, what you should expect and what you should not expect. There is a certain group of traders that I want to surround myself with, and then there's another group that I want nothing to do with. Now, maybe that's a bit harsh, but I'd rather just be upfront. And if that costs me a few dollars, oh well, because at the end of the day, I've had the community for over a decade now. And what I've learned is that when you surround yourself with a certain group of people, good things happen. And then on top of that, for those of you that stick around to the end, I want to offer you up a special discount on the pricing for the community, because I figure if you make it to the end of the video, then you are probably somebody that I'm looking to surround myself with. So I want to offer you up a little bribe to see if I can get you to join, because yes, iron sharpens iron. And if you make it to the end, I'm assuming I would consider you a piece of iron. So let's first though start off with a couple of alerts that I've made so that you can get an idea of what you should be expecting and what you should not be expecting. So here we have an alert that was made, and you can see right up here that I alert that there is a pattern that formed on the 2-minute time frame. Now maybe you're saying, okay, Clay, yeah, I see you mapped out the pattern. That's great, but like, what am I supposed to do with this? Can you tell me when I'm supposed to get in, what I'm supposed to do? No. If that's what you want, if you want to be a mindless, blind sheep puppet, then I don't want to surround myself with that. Because here's the fact of the matter. And again, maybe I'm being blunt, maybe I'm being a little harsh here, but if you think trading, and this doesn't just pertain to futures, if you think trading anything is as easy as signing up and having somebody spoon feed you, and then you just blindly follow, you just do what they tell you to do, and then you're going to start to make money hand over fist, if only it were that easy. And if you believe that it is that easy, I have oceanfront property in Iowa that I would love to sell you for a great discount. The fact of the matter is, you've got to be able to think for yourself. And a community, and what my community does, is offer you up multiple sets of eyeballs. You only have two eyeballs, so you can only see so much. But when you put other quality traders around that can scan the markets, then yeah, maybe they help you see something that you didn't see for whatever reason. I mean, we're all human, we all miss stuff. But if you want to have an eyeball, or multiple eyeballs, I should say, searching for things, then here's an alert for this. So maybe you got distracted, maybe you didn't notice this pattern, but here's a pattern that was alerted. Now let's take a look at how it played out. Now, I hope I don't need to say this, but I am anyways. Please do not walk away from this video thinking that every alert, every idea is a huge success and money just rains down from the sky. No, that's not how it works, because at the end of the day, you still do need to think for yourself. But not every alert, not every idea is going to turn into some profitable, profitable trade. In fact, sometimes it's profitable for some members and unprofitable for others, because again, there is that aspect of thinking for yourself. So people are going to approach it in different ways. Some people will be right, some people will be wrong. That's why risk management matters. So again, though, at the core, please don't think that every trade turns out like this one. But yes, this was definitely an idea that turned out very well. But the pattern that was alerted was that bear pennant pattern. So let's see how things played out here as time went by. So you can see right there, broke, and then really broke, and then broke some more. And you can see came up a little bit, and then came down that much more, and then dropped even further before the price actually bounced up that much higher. But overall, they're a 100-point move, actually more than a 100-point move to the downside. So that was just one idea that worked out really, really nice for members. Now, here's an alert from another member. So we have multiple, like I said, futures traders. And this alert, you can see right there, this person is looking at the 1-hour time frame and just alerting a key trend line, which is very helpful, because going back to what I've said, you only have two eyeballs. I only have two eyeballs. But when you have members working like this, alerting certain things, hey, look at this, the price is nearing a very key trend line on a certain time level. What you do with it, again, that will be up to you. You've got to be able to think for yourself. You've got to be a wolf. I don't want to surround myself with a bunch of mindless sheep. I want to surround myself with other wolves. So if you are a wolf, then yes, like I said, I'm going to bribe you here in just a moment to see if I can get you to sign up, because that is exactly who I want to surround myself with. But here's just another idea of, nothing being spoon-fed, but very valuable information being conveyed, because you can take what you see here on the screen and form quality ideas, quality trade plans around this, because this was a great alert in the sense of, oh yeah, the price is indeed approaching a key level, and these are the things that you need to be aware of and, just keep in mind as a futures trader. So to give you a little bit of context, normal pricing is $99 every 3 months, or you could get 1 full year for $297, which when you look at the numbers, that would actually be giving you 3 months free. So it's cheaper to just buy in bulk, buy the yearly for $297, or you could just do the 3 months for $99. But what about this bribe? And as I mentioned here, if you are still listening right now, then I would say that you're pretty serious, or the chances are you're pretty serious. The people that want to be mindless sheep and spoon fed, they think I'm a jerk. They're probably, commenting, writing something in the comment section right now that I'm a mean guy. But you know what? I'd rather just be upfront. But if you are still here, then definitely go. I'll put this link down below. Click on it and click on the yellow button right there. And this will offer you that yearly amount for $197. So instead of $297, as you just saw, this bribe will be $197 for an entire year. So if you like what you're hearing, you want to surround yourself with other future traders, then please go down below, click the link, and then get signed up for this bribe. Take the bribe. I want to surround myself with people like you. So if there are any other questions on the service, what's included, what's not included, then by all means, leave a comment down below. Reach out to me through the site at claytrader.com, and I'd be happy to offer you up any sort of clarity in order for you to be able to make the best informed decision on your part. But if you are somebody that wants to think for themselves, that wants to surround yourself with other pieces of iron, because iron sharpens iron, and you trade futures, then definitely consider joining the community. And I should also note that many of the members trade with a prop firm. If you don't know what prop firms are, or you're curious on the prop firm that I'm using, I'll put a link down below to that also. And make sure you do use that link, because prop firms are always giving discounts and running promotions. And if you use that link, that'll ensure you take advantage of whatever the current promotion is. So yes, if you're still watching, you are a piece of iron. Take that bribe, get signed up, and I'll see you on the inside.